Is this the weirdest place in the world to visit? Exploring the world's weirdest places can be a fascinating journey into the extraordinary. From eerie forests to snake-infested islands, each location holds a unique blend of mystery and peculiarity. Whether it's the haunting remnants of abandoned cities or the bizarre rituals at cultural festivals, these destinations challenge our perceptions and beckon the adventurous to witness the extraordinary and the strange. Number 10. The Door to Hell, Darvaza Crater, Turkmenistan. The Door to Hell, also known as the Darvaza Crater in Turkmenistan, stands as an eerie testament to the intersection of nature and human activity. A vast fiery chasm in the Karakum Desert, this surreal site emerged in 1971 when a Soviet drilling rig collapsed, releasing natural gas. To prevent the spread of methane, scientists set the crater ablaze, expecting it to burn out within weeks. Astonishingly, the flames persist to this day, casting an otherworldly glow across the barren landscape. The Door to Hell has since become an enigmatic tourist attraction, drawing adventurers seeking the mesmerizing spectacle of eternal natural combustion. Number 9. Kanamara Matsuri, Festival of the Steel Phallus, Japan. Kanamara Matsuri, or the Festival of the Steel Phallus, in Kawasaki, Japan, offers a surreal celebration of fertility and sexual health. Held annually, the event features giant phallus-shaped shrines paraded through the streets. Revelers partake in a festive atmosphere, consuming phallus-shaped treats and engaging in playful rituals. Originally rooted in Shinto tradition, the festival now supports HIV awareness and embraces inclusivity. The juxtaposition of ancient reverence with modern health advocacy makes Kanamara Matsuri a uniquely eccentric spectacle, drawing visitors worldwide to witness the bizarre yet culturally significant festivities surrounding the steel phallus. Number 8. The Museum of Icelandic Sorcery and Witchcraft, Iceland. Nestled in Holmavik, Iceland, the Museum of Icelandic Sorcery and Witchcraft stands as a testament to the country's mysterious folklore. Devoted to the arcane arts, the museum showcases artifacts, spells, and peculiar relics tied to Icelandic witchcraft. Visitors encounter eerie exhibits, including necropents made from human skin and ancient grimoires. The museum delves into Iceland's history of magic, superstition, and alleged supernatural practices, offering a spellbinding journey through the esoteric. This unsettling yet fascinating collection draws those intrigued by the darker corners of folklore, making it a uniquely bizarre destination for those seeking the enigmatic and uncanny in Iceland. Number 7. Centralia, Pennsylvania, USA. Centralia, Pennsylvania, USA, emerges as a surreal ghost town, shrouded in an eerie atmosphere fueled by an underground coal fire that has been burning since 1962. The town's desolation stems from a perpetual blaze beneath its surface, rendering it uninhabitable and creating an apocalyptic landscape. Abandoned streets, graffiti-covered remnants, and smoke wafting from fissures in the ground contribute to its eerie ambience. Centralia stands as a haunting reminder of an environmental catastrophe, drawing curious visitors seeking the glimpse of a town forever altered by subterranean flames. It's a disconcerting destination, captivating those fascinated by the intersection of industrial calamity and urban abandonment. Number 6. The Island of the Dolls, Isla de las Muñecas, Mexico. In the heart of Xochimilco, Mexico, lies the Island of the Dolls, Isla de las Muñecas, an unsettling tableau of thousands of dolls hanging from trees and structures. This bizarre collection began when the island's caretaker, Don Julian Santana, started adorning the island with dolls to appease the spirit of a drowned girl. The result is a haunting spectacle, where severed doll heads, limbs, and lifeless eyes create an eerie atmosphere. This surreal shrine has become a magnet for the curious and the brave, offering a disturbing yet intriguing experience for those seeking the weirdest corners of the world. Number 5. Witch Market, Mercado de las Brujas, Bolivia. Nestled in La Paz, Bolivia, the Witch Market, or Mercado de las Brujas, beckons visitors into a world of mysticism and traditional Andean beliefs. Vendors peddle an array of peculiar items, from dried llama fetuses and exotic herbs to potions and amulets. This market is a hub for folk remedies and mystical artifacts, with locals seeking items believed to bring luck, health, or protection. The air is thick with the scent of herbs and the energy of ancient rituals, creating an otherworldly atmosphere that captivates those seeking a glimpse into Bolivia's rich cultural tapestry and the fascinating realm of traditional Andean mysticism. Number 4. The Catacombs of Paris, France. Beneath the romantic streets of Paris lies a macabre marvel, the catacombs. These subterranean tunnels house the bones of around 6 million Parisians, arranged in a chilling display of artful patterns and formations. Descending into this underworld, visitors navigate corridors lined with skeletal remains, evoking an eerie reverence for mortality. The bones, stacked like haunting sculptures, create a unique and unsettling atmosphere. This peculiar underground necropolis, born from the necessity to address overcrowded cemeteries, now stands as a bizarre and captivating testament to the enigmatic relationship between life and death, making it one of the weirdest places to explore in the world. The catacombs' winding passages, adorned with bones, form a haunting labyrinth that challenges the boundaries of the living and the departed. The surreal ambience of this subterranean realm offers an unforgettable, and indeed, weird experience. Number 3. Pripyat, Ukraine. Pripyat, near Chernobyl, Ukraine, stands frozen in time as a haunting relic of the world's worst nuclear disaster. This eerily abandoned city once housed the workers of the Chernobyl nuclear power plant. Now, decaying buildings, deserted playgrounds, and a rusting Ferris wheel paint a surreal picture of a community abruptly evacuated in 1986. The desolation, marked by radiation warning signs and crumbling structures, creates a post-apocalyptic ambience. Visiting Pripyat offers a glimpse into a bygone era, suspended in a radioactive time capsule. The eerie stillness of this ghost city makes it one of the world's weirdest and most sobering destinations. Number 2. Aokigahara Forest, Suicide Forest, Japan. Aokigahara Forest, known as the Suicide Forest, lies at the base of Mount Fuji in Japan, shrouded in an unsettling reputation. Renowned for a tragically high number of suicides, this dense woodland exudes an eerie silence and an otherworldly aura. Visitors encounter a labyrinth of twisted trees and rocky terrain, creating an unsettling atmosphere that resonates with the weight of its somber history. Despite its natural beauty, the forest's association with despair and demise makes it an exceptionally peculiar and haunting destination, drawing those curious about the intersection of nature, folklore, and the darker aspects of human experience. Number 1. Snake Island, Ilha da Queimada Grande, Brazil. Snake Island, or Ilha da Queimada Grande, off the coast of Brazil, is shrouded in mystery and danger. Its notoriety stems from an unnaturally high density of venomous golden lancehead vipers, a species found nowhere else on Earth. Access to the island is strictly prohibited to protect both visitors and the snakes. The perilous landscape, home to thousands of deadly serpents, creates an eerie and inhospitable atmosphere. The island's reputation as one of the world's most snake-infested places makes it a bizarre and potentially perilous curiosity for those intrigued by the strange and hazardous corners of the natural world. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.